DRA3 provides more resources that allow teachers to move from assessment to specific and targeted instruction to improve literacy. For example, the set of instructional routine cards provides explicit instructional strategies for teaching and practicing fluency, retelling, summarizing, vocabulary, and word reading. And the Progress Monitoring Assessment Guide gives teachers the strategies and resources for monitoring student progress every 2 to 3 weeks to ensure that literacy instruction is actually making a difference and students' reading is improving. So whereas the benchmark assessments occur 2 to 3 times per year, the progress monitoring assessment will happen every 2 to 3 weeks. And during this assessment, teachers will find out what specific areas of literacy need attention and then provide them with an if-then guidelines on how to address these specific areas of challenge or struggles. And they can be broken down into rate of reading, accuracy, retell, and comprehension. So if the student scores fewer than 70 words per minute on this passage, then identify reading rate difficulties, repetitions, ineffective or slow decoding, etc. Accuracy, if students' record of oral reading indicates problems decoding specific word types, then the teacher will do these specific things to improve that area. Retell and comprehension. And these if-then strategies are provided for every passage in the progress monitoring component. It should be noted here, however, that the 95 reading passages associated with this component can only be accessed through the DRA3 digital library. So a license would need to be purchased to get full advantage of this particular aspect of the assessment. These passages can be used for instruction, for example, repeated reading and teaching comprehension strategies. This component also provides strategies for assessing and supporting ELL students. To access the progress monitoring component of the DRA3, first log in to your online account, click on Online Support, click on Digital Library Progress Monitoring. This will take you to a page that includes all of the elements in the progress monitoring, including the student passages and teacher observation guides, student recording forms and fluency progress sheets, graphic organizers, routine cards, etc.